Hi everybody, welcome to Axe and Root Homestead. I'm Angela. I'm here with a quick tip for you today on how to get a better stamp on your egg cartons. Now, if you've ever tried stamping eggs, you know that fibrous material is really hard to get a good, clear, consistent stamp on, especially when the lid is caving in all the while we're pressing. So I'm going to show you how I get a consistent stamp. We simply need a block of wood, and we place that underneath our lid. I'm going to stamp my stamper here into the ink pad. And check it out to make sure I've got some nice ink coverage. Now, find that little block of wood that's the size of your stamp underneath the lid and go ahead and place your stamper right on top. Give it a rock back and forth. Change the pressure all over the stamp so you're doing the sides, the top, and the bottom. Pull away, and there you have it. A good, consistent, clear stamp every time. Hope it helps.